Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step by step how you can easily use DotLoop. DotLoop is amazing, intuitive real estate transaction management software that I believe everyone can use and is quite simple. So without further ado, let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here, sign up for free. And now when you're gonna sign up for free, what you have to do is just simply add your name, email. I'm going to add a temporary email, password, and now you have to choose a role. If you're agent, if you're team lead, buyer, seller, utilities, home security, you choose, and then state. Let's say I'm going to use Florida. Now I'm going to sign up for free. If you're okay, now it should work. If you're just like going slowly, fill it up, just stop the video and continue later on. Oh, here we go. So there was something happening there. Now what we can do and what we can actually see in DotLoop. So when you're gonna enter DotLoop, you're gonna see your default profile, sorted by addresses, title. Now loops are online workspaces to manage your real estate transactions. Use them to share documents and track your progress. We will get straight away, but I want to show you what you can actually see here. As you can see the loops, the reporting, when we will see like the sales, loops without prices. So you will see in reporting all the analytics. Then you see also tasks on the top right. And then you see assigned to you, overdue, completed, all tasks. You see also the personal tasks here, right up to loop tasks. And you can simply add a task. We will get to it too. Then these are how the tasks works. People, you see the trusted service providers, and you can close more deals by making your trusted lenders, attorneys, and other services providers immediately accessible to your clients in their loops. So as you can see, you can set up, let's say, home improvement, mortgage, home security, attorney, home warranty, moving and storage. And then you see your contacts here, and you can simply add your contacts under people. Now this is how it works. And then you see templates. Then you can see the browse templates or see the templates here. And this is how the templates work. You can also add new folder, or you can add a document. Now let's jump into loops and how you can create them. So when I click here on loops, I'm going to click here add a loop. Okay, we need to verify the email first. Okay. So you need to go to your Gmail account or whatever account you have and verify your identity. Verify. And here we are again. And now I can simply click add a loop. So here you have to add a property address. So let's say Florida, this one here. Then I'm going to press continue. You have to upload a photo. So I'm going to just give it a random house. Okay, like this one here. That looks really nice. Okay. And I'm going to find the house here. And now you have to just upload all your houses, right? You have the photos you got. Okay, so we have it here. Done. And then we are creating a loop. And see, we have the photo type. And now you have the option if it's listing for sale, if it's listing for lease, purchase, lease, real estate, other. So I'm going to click here, listing for sale. Status, now if it's a private listing, if it's active listing, under contract, withdrawn, sold, or terminated. So let's say this is a private listing. And then you're gonna have enterprise. Let's say $300,000. For now, $300,000 is not much for a house. We know how the pricing goes up and up, but this is how you do it. Then you can enter closing. And let's say we are going for July 28 or 30. And then what I can do when I have my own loop, I can view the loop on the bottom right. Here, what I can see. So this is one of my loops. First, you see that it's listing for sale. Of course, you can always change everything you see here. If it's a private listing, then on the right, you can see notifications or notes that you added to your loop. And you can simply add a note. Then you see documents here. And you can have what? Folder, interactive form by selecting one of the templates, browse, you can add PDF for solid signing, and email. Attach the files you need to this email and send them directly into this folder. Then you see also people, invite your clients, vendors, and even those on the other side of negotiation. No one can see who you invite. So you can also add the people here. And you can choose the role. So you add a full name, you can add it to your team, add an email, and then you can choose a role if it's a buying agent, listing agent, buyer, seller, admin, appraiser, buyer's attorney. You can choose from plenty of these, what you see here. Now, this is how you can simply add a person in DotLoop. Then you see also add the tasks. So we are going to add a task, guys, and then we are going to see how we can work with documents. Add a task, and let's say send email to Monica. See? And unassigned. And now we can have it until assigned to, or you can, when it's going to be tomorrow or next week, when it needs to be, when it's going to happen. And this is how you can simply create a task in DotLoop under your loop. So when we have this, let's say we are going to add a PDF to our computer, from our computer right here. Then let's see. I'm going to find some. Okay. I have, this is my contract that I have here. And look what I can do here. This is it, right? Okay. I can share it, not shared. And you would see from how many people it's going to be shared. The document you want to share does not have any fields on it. If you want someone to complete or sign the document, we recommend that you prepare it. And you always, when you're going to click here, you can gonna prepare it, and then 3 dots. You can open it, rename it, make a copy, history, print it. You can download it also, archive it, or fax it. So I'm going to click on the person here and prepare. And now, so let's say this is my, for my own country. And what I can do here, I can simply add, and what I can do, I can add a signature, add initials, add a text, add a date, name, checkbox, radio button, or strike through. So let's say I'm going to add a signature. Sometimes this is slow, so add a signature. And now assign to anyone who is going to actually sign it. So you have option if I'm going to sign it, or Monica Teffel, or I can add a person. So assign to Marcus Tonelius. See? Then I can simply add, let's say I'm going to add another signature, and this is going to be Monica Teffel. Monica signs here, I sign here. I can also sign it right now because I'm logged in DotLoop. So I can add a name, Marcus Tonelius, or Monica Teffel. And see, when it's Monica Teffel, I can't edit it anymore. So when I'm going to continue, you can also change the text here and everything. And now see, I can add a checkbox like here. And again, it's going to be to me. And this is how much it pretty much works. Then you have more here. You can review the notes. You can show tasks, document history, or host in-person signing. What you can do is then simply click on the top right, save and share. When you're ready, send this document to everyone who needs it by clicking the share button. Remember, your documents are always secure with DotLoop. Okay. See? Document. Okay, add name, and I can add and invite multiple people who I'm going to send and share the document with. Done. And now, when I'm going to open my temporary email, so this is how pretty much you're going to do it. So I'm going to refresh the website. See, we have our PDF file. And then what you can do again is click here to share. See, and you can share with other people, with someone else, or I can simply add a different name. So let's say Marcus, and I'm going to add this mail here. And I can assign, can fill and sign, can edit in private. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And this is how you can add different people here, right? And this is how you can add multiple people. So this is how it works. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. But they need to be on a document, right? So done. You click here, share, like this, and you add them. And then you simply, you're gonna have like the document that you need to sign, and you will see it right here, and then you just sign it. I can again open it. And see, I got everything here. And then again, what you can do is to share it with people. And this is how pretty much it works. And this is how DotLoop works. It's nothing really hard to do. You can add a date here. You can add a name, a checkbox, a radio button, a strike through. I can simply add a date, and who is going to assign me or Monica Teffel. I can, if I'm going to sign in by myself, I can click here, sign now. Draw signature. Voila, it's signed. So this is pretty much it how DotLoop works. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Now I wanted to show you one thing. Yes. You can of course go to reporting, and see all the data here. Then you would see the tasks, and you can see a loop tasks here, personal tasks, and you can simply add a task. See? And you can assign it to someone. And then you can have people here, and in people you can simply add a person. And now when you're gonna click on the top right people, and you would get to the contacts, and you would click here add a person, you can simply add a full name, email, phone, cell number, street number, unit number, everything. So this is pretty much it how you can use DotLoop. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.